Here, for example, is a little information. Many people, when they visit LA for the first time, they want to know where the world-famous Hollywood sign is. The Hollywood sign is in the hills over there on your right. You can't see it. It's on the other side of the hills. But for your convenience, at the end of the tour, we have a fake Hollywood sign right down here. When you get off the tram, take a picture in front of that sign, show the folks at home. They're never going to know the difference. You can snicker every time you fool them with it. Now, it is important. Everyone here have a pair of 3D glasses. You don't need them now. These monitors are just HD, but the glasses will come in handy.
Amity Island and Island Dubai. That's your forecast for today. Now here's a look at what's going on in your neck of the woods.
Flash flood. Oh, come on, what are you talking? Oh, I see. When Al Roker tells you it is going to rain, by golly, you know it is going to rain on cue. And if he says flood, you probably want to aim your cameras up that hill on the left, because it's true. When it rains heavily in Southern California, there's always the possibility of a flash flood. Fortunately, we don't. No. Oh, yeah, well, that is a big one. Hang on, I'll write this up. Surf's up! You might recognize some of those buildings off on the left. You have seen them in movies like Fletch Lives with Chevy Chase, Three Amigos with Chevy Chase, Steve Martin, and Martin Short. Or, a few weeks ago, this was being used as Tijuana for an episode of Criminal Minds Beyond Borders. The gas mains are rupturing over on the right side of the tram. If the sparks ignite them, we could be in big trouble. The southbound is coming in on track 2. Hold tight, everyone. It's okay. Remain calm. We are trained professionals. Everything is completely under. Nuts. You just experienced the simulation of an 8.3 earthquake. If I could direct your attention to the big yellow barrel over here chained to the dock. We've got a hook. Of the car, sit all the way down, please. Car number 3, sit down.
Oh, wow. Oh, look at the shark, man. Look, shark.
Ladies and gentlemen, meet Bruce the Shark. Well done, Bruce.
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Faster, as audiences embrace their need for speed. And if you're talking big, bad, and fast, well, then you're talking the Fast and Furious films. By a curious coincidence, every one of those clips is from a Universal movie. What are the chances? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Universal Studio Tour. Now, I'm doing a big job up here. I can't do it by myself. I have a little help. You will recognize my co-host. He is the host of The Tonight Show. This is the guy that checks out every single tram before it leaves the garage. Good morning, Chris Pratt and Bryce Dallas Howard. Our previous JP movie was way back in 2001. By now, even the dinosaurs in that movie are pretty much extinct all over again, but Remember, you are in Hollywood. In this town, anyone can make a comeback.
Cái xe bị khủng long cắn nè.
Oh, go ahead. Just spit right back at them. One of Steven Spielberg's very first assignments here at Universal back in the mid-70s was to escort the author on a tour of our facilities. The author he was showing around was Michael Crichton. Neither one of them had any idea.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, la, 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 la. Man, I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh.